Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 hand tool sets. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, Work Pro tool set. Specifications. Brand name, Work Pro. DIY supplies, electrical. Model number, W003025A. Package, box. Application, car repair tool. The item number 2 is Value Max hand tool sets. Specifications. Brand name, Value Max. Type, screwdrivers. Package, box. Size, 1/4 anquat, 1/2 anquat, 3/8 anquat. Contain, ratchet/socket/screwdriver. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Deco hand tool sets. Specifications. Brand name, Deco. Model number, TZ168. Package, box. Size, 360 x 480 120 mm. Number of pieces, 168 pieces. Color, black, yellow. Material, stainless steel, ABS. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.